Deleting the dictionary elements. So we are going to discuss del method, del function. Then we are going to discuss three methods: pop method, pop item method, and clear method. So first of all, we'll discuss the del function. As I say, del function, that means we can call this function and then we can pass on the dictionary object to this function. So again, I'm using the same dictionary object with three key value pairs: name Yatin, roll 12, and city Pune. If I say print D, it will print all three key value pairs on the screen. And then if I want to delete the key value pair, which is associated with city, the key city. So I can say del D into bracket, into double quotes, city. So I'm mentioning a key. So I want to delete the key value pair which is associated with city. So delete D of key. So if I say print D, it has removed city Pune, complete key value pair from the dictionary object D, and now you can see the output. Output contains only first two key value pairs, which are name Yatin, the first key value pair, and roll 12 as the second key value pair. So del function can be used to remove a certain key value pair from the dictionary object. Now in this dictionary object, which contains only two key value pairs now after deleting city Pune, if I try to use del function again with a key which is not present in my dictionary object, I'm trying to use del with D of country. So country as a key is not present in my dictionary object. So what this del function will do, it is now giving a key error. What is a key error? Country as a key is not present. So we cannot, the Python interpreter cannot delete this key value pair. So you can use del function only with those keys which are present in the dictionary object. Now we'll see the three methods: pop, pop item, and clear. So when I say methods, that means we have to use these methods with dictionary objects. So I'm declaring the same dictionary object with three key value pairs: name Yatin, roll 12, and city Pune. So if I say print D, it will print all three key value pairs on the screen: name Yatin, roll 12, and city Pune. If I say D dot pop, what I have to do is I have to pass on the key which I have to pop, which I have to remove. So D dot pop key is roll. That means pop the key value pair which is associated with the key roll. And then if I say print D, you can look at the output. It has removed the key value pair which is associated with roll. Now we have only two key value pairs: name Yatin and city Pune. D dot pop item. So pop item is another dictionary method using which you can remove the dictionary element. So what pop item will do? Pop item will by default remove the last item which is present in the dictionary. Pop item will by default remove the last item which is present in the dictionary. So currently in my dictionary, city Pune is the last key value pair which is present. So it will remove city Pune and it will print only name and Yatin, name Yatin, which is key value pair on the screen. If I say print D. And lastly, we can use the clear method. D dot clear, it will delete or it will remove all the key value mappings from the object D, dictionary object D. Now you can see if I say print D, it will print the empty bracket. That means empty dictionary, null dictionary. In this way, you can use pop with a specific key as an argument. It will remove that key value pair. Pop item, which will remove by default the last key value pair which is present in the D, and clear, which will remove all the key value mappings from the dictionary D. Now look at this code. D is equal to, I'm declaring a dictionary object with three key value pairs. If I say print D, it will print the whole dictionary object on the screen. If I directly say del D, we have discussed how to use del function, delete function, with a specific key of a dictionary. But instead of giving a specific key, if I directly say D, which is the dictionary object itself, what this delete function del will do, del will completely delete the presence of D from the memory, the presence of dictionary object D from the memory. So interpreter, when executing this line, will completely remove this dictionary object D from the executable memory. So now inside memory, we don't have anything which is of name D. So if I try to print D at this line, it is giving me name error. Why name error? Because there is nothing with the name D in the memory. So name D is not defined. So in this way, you can use del function if you want to completely delete the dictionary object from the memory.